Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Natural Remedies channel. In this video, I will share you eat these 10 foods to cleanse your arteries. Arteries are the blood vessels that deliver oxygen-rich blood from the heart to different tissues in the body. When plaque builds up and blood flow becomes inhibited, these clogged or blocked arteries can lead to more serious problems such as heart attack, stroke and other cardiovascular diseases. So what can you do to keep your arteries healthy and free of blockage? Food can be used as a natural remedy to regress blockage and prevent further damage to your arteries. Asparagus. Asparagus is one of the best foods to cleanse your arteries. Full of fiber and minerals, it helps lower blood pressure and prevents blood clots that can lead to serious cardiovascular illness. It works within the veins and arteries to alleviate inflammation that may have accumulated over time. It boosts the body's production of glutathione, an antioxidant that fights inflammation and prevents damaging oxidation that causes clogged or blocked arteries. Avocado. Avocado helps reduce the bad cholesterol and increase the good cholesterol that helps to clear the arteries. It also contains vitamin E, which prevents cholesterol oxidation, as well as potassium, which is known to lower blood pressure. Avocados are a delicious replacement for mayo on a sandwich, or as a salad topping, and of course, in guacamole. Nuts. Instead of reaching for the cookie jar, try a healthier alternative, nuts. Almonds are the best choice because they are high in monounsaturated fats, vitamin E, fiber and protein. The magnesium in almonds also prevents plaque formation and lowers blood pressure. Walnuts are another good source of omega-3 fatty acid, which will reduce bad cholesterol and raise good cholesterol levels, which in turn lowers the risk of plaque buildup in the arteries. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, mackerel, salmon, sardines, herring and tuna, are rich in healthy fats, which can help to clear the arteries. Omega-3 fatty acids help to increase the good cholesterol while reducing triglyceride levels, decreasing blood vessel inflammation and the formation of blood clots in the arteries, and can even lower blood pressure. Broccoli. Broccoli can prevent artery clogging because it is loaded with vitamin K, which prevents calcium from damaging the arteries. Broccoli also prevents cholesterol oxidation and is full of fiber, which lowers blood pressure and reduces stress. Stress can lead to tearing and plaque buildup of arterial walls. These little trees also contain sulforaphane, which helps the body use protein to prevent plaque buildup in the arteries. Turmeric. The main component of this spice is curcumin, which is a power anti-inflammatory. Inflammation is a major cause of arteriosclerosis or the hardening of the arteries. Turmeric also reduces the damage to arterial walls, which can cause blood clots and plaque buildup. Turmeric also contains vitamin B6, which helps to maintain healthy levels of homocysteine, which can cause plaque buildup and blood vessel damage in excess amounts. Watermelon. This summertime favorite is a great natural source of the amino acid L-citrulline, which boosts nitric oxide production in the body. Nitric oxide causes the arteries to relax, decreases inflammation and can help lower blood pressure. Watermelon also helps to modify blood lipids and lowers belly fat accumulation. Less fat in the abdominal area lowers the risk of heart disease. Olive oil. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated oleic acid, an essential fatty acid that lowers bad cholesterol and raises good cholesterol. Rich in antioxidants, it is one of the healthiest oils to use in cooking or for dressings. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoy this video, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more future videos and do like, share and comment below.